Hello, you're welcome. In this video tutorial, we'll explain you ad agency management. So this project is advertisement agency management system. This basically for a advertisement agency company. So this is the agency. This company will take the ads from the customer and they'll publish these ads into the TV channel and newspaper. So this is the main idea in this project. It is a Visual Basic project with SQL Server backend. Now let's understand how this works. So here is a company, ad agency company. Naturally, company approach for different customers. So there are different customers. Now these potential customers will give the advertisement with this agency. In turn, agency will tie up with the newspaper companies and they'll tie up with the TV channel. So what are the advertisement they'll take? They'll publish in the newspaper or in the TV. Now they need to manage their customers. What are the advertisement they given? And they need to collect the payment from the same. So this project will help ad agency to manage all these things. Now let us look at the software requirement. So language we are using is a Visual Basic .NET. Backend is MS SQL Server. Editor Visual Studio. And operating system Windows 10. Project design. So here also like what are the forms required for this project. A booking form, ad booking, booking report, customer form to store the customer detail and corresponding report, a login form. So in order to log into the software, we need a login form, MDA form. So via we have a menu, we can navigate between one form to other form. Module. So we add one module to the project. So basically why module? So module is important to declare global variable, global procedure or global functions. Then newspaper form. So here you can enter all the newspaper details and corresponding reporting form. Payment form to collect the payment from the customer. Payment report form to show the report. TV channel form to enter the TV channel details and corresponding report, and the welcome form. So these are the forms which are there in the project. And if you try yourself, maybe you need to make same forms and you need to write the code for the same. Database tables. So this project will have around 6 tables. So one is booking tab, customer tab, newspaper tab, payment tab, TV channel tab, user login tab. So there are totally 6 tables we are using in this particular project. So please subscribe to our channel. We'll come out with more videos of project based, and also soon we're going to start C# tutorial. So therefore you can learn C# and also VB. Then you can able to do the project your own. Project demo. Now let us see the demo, like how the whole project works. So in order to work with the project, we require Visual Basic. So let me start Visual Basic. And then so you can click on the project. So the project is open. Now you can see that these are the forms which are using in the project. And if you come to the Database Explorer, you can see that arts data. And if you click on tables, we can able to see the tables. So we have 6 tables here. Now let us run the project. So here is a welcome screen. We can easily change this picture. What are the picture we want? We can add that picture. And here is the login page. So we can log in using that particular page. Fine. Now here is a TV channel. Here is a TV channel code. And first we go to the list show. So we'll see the list. What are the channels we already listed. So in case you want to list a new one, you have to click the new button. Here is a TV channel code. You have to write the code. So now Okay, so I'll write as a Republic. So this is a Republic channel. So this is a Republic's English channel. Then you can write on the address, where is the office. Right, next is a mobile number. You can write on the mobile number here. So channel type, so it's a news channel. Language, it is an English. Rate per second, so this is advertisement rate per second. How much is the rate? So let's say they'll charge you around 25,000 rupees per second. Save, the record is saved. Now you can see that 2 records are there. Now if you click on CNN, you can able to see complete data again. You want to modify, you can able to modify this. So click modify here. So do you want to modify? Yes, the record will be modified. So in case you don't want, we can delete also. We can delete the record. So therefore, in this form, we have given an option to enter the new record, and to list the records we are using the data grid view, and we are listing all the records. After listing, if you click on any of the code, it will display again the complete details. Now you can able to modify it, and if you don't want, you can able to delete it. Now I'll close this form. Then I'll go to newspaper form. Here you can enter the newspaper detail. If you go to list, there is a TOI, Times of India. To enter one more, I'll click new button, go to newspaper code. So let me enter. I'll take as a Prajavani. Kannada newspaper. Okay. So then their address. Right. So then mobile number. So is a regional, and the language Kannada. And now the advertisement for the paper, how much they'll charge for per square centimeter. So here it will take 1500 per square centimeter. So this is an entry level project. We are not making very complicated. We only take one type of rate, but in real time maybe we have multiple types. But at this moment, let me calculate for the particularly one type. Per particular paper, we are taking a rate on one particular rate. Right, let me close. Then customer details. So who are the customer who wish to give advertisement to us, so that we can write down. So let's say Infosys. So they want to give advertisement with us. Right, name Infosys Limited. Then address. Then mobile number. So I'm using the same mobile number, but you can enter the correct number. So email ID. And save. So a customer is saved. And now let's say there is one dummy customer. You don't want this. Click delete. It will be deleted. Next, here is the ad booking. So you can go to ad booking. Click new. So date. Here is the newspaper or TV channel. So they want to give for newspaper. Then newspaper code. So this is TOI. It's again 1500 per square centimeter. How many size? What is the total size? They want to give 10 by 10. So therefore it is 100 square centimeters. It costs around 1.5 lakh rupees. Okay, save this. A record is saved. Now we need to collect the payment from them. If you go to new and you select Infosys, see that 1.5 lakh rupees will come. You can also collect part payment, then it will show the remaining. Alright, so collected by check. Number, some number. So remark cash. completed. Right. So save, the record is saved. Now whatever we done till now, all the reports will be available in the report section. If you go to TV channel list, if you click here, so you can see the list. And we also provide a print option here. You can print the list. You can take out the print because it's offline project. So this who are entering to the system, only in that system the data will be there. So if they want to give the same data to the manager or supervisor or someone or to the management, naturally you require a printout. For that, print option is provided. Next, newspaper list, the list will come. Customer list, so if I display, customer list will come. Then booking list, you can able to see the bookings. The next payment list, you could able to see the payment list. So these are the options which are provided in this project. So you'll have MDA form, it will have a menu, and it will have a report, and also printing option is provided. So you understand the project. Now you could able to write, if you know the Visual Basic, you can try to write the same project. In case if you wish to buy this project, please contact us. Thank you for watching. So please subscribe to our channel so therefore we can provide you more videos, and also soon we'll start with the tutorial so therefore you get the benefit. Thank you for watching.